Hello. Today I want to show you how easy is it to replace an Oxymat 7 analyzer module at our GA700. First, we have to unplug the power. Remove the cover of the housing. Next step is to remove the cable. Unlock the screws. And remove the screws at the back side of the analyzer. Now we can easily remove the analyzer module. We take the new Oxymat 7 module, put in the housing, fix it by the screws. Now we connect the cable back. Put on the cover. Fixing the cover with these two screws. Connect the power back. Now you have seen how fast is it to replace an analyzer module.